Welcome back to the channel. This once again is a perspective question, and this time we're dealing with 2015 question B3 higher level D.C.G exam. Okay, so we can see a little 3D perspective I've sketched down here of what's actually what the question is. So it's a little kind of glass house. In this solution, I'm going to be dealing with just part A of the question, and later on we'll do a little video about part B and C. There'll be quick videos. Okay, so the perspective of this glass house is actually kind of easy, right? So I have my setup already complete and my sheet orientated. If you're wondering about them and how you get to this stage, there's videos earlier on in the channel that you could check out to help you to get to this stage. So I'm just going to start vanishing back points that I've already brought down. I want to see how wide the glass house is. So I join the corner to the spectator, which I've already done, and I can just bring straight down using my T-square and set square as I have the sheet orientated correctly. Where they intersect, I can vanish back. And I get the length of the glass house now. Once again, join it to the spectator, join the point to the spectator where across the picture plane is brought straight down. I can vanish this back to this vanishing point here. So I've got the main frame here now for the actual object. I also have my height here, as you can see with the little dash marked on my true length line, or my true height line. That's in the earlier videos as well if you want to go back and if you're unsure of this. But I have my height here, so I'm going to vanish this height in both directions. And I can also vanish it where it crosses the lines back here. So when I get to this stage, I like to start going with my darker pencil over the areas I know are certain, because these questions can get kind of confusing at times with all the lines down here in the perspective views. So I like just pausing for a minute and going over the lines that I know are definite heavy lines. So that's what it's looking like now so far. So the next problem we come across is the roof here, okay? And in the question it says that roof angle there is 35 degrees. In order to complete that, we're going to need an auxiliary vanishing point. I've also dealt with auxiliary vanishing points in a previous video on this channel, so I'm not going to dwell too much time, spend too much time explaining them here in this video, okay? I'm going to line up my protractor, mark my 35 degrees, extend it out, and create a 90-degree angle in here from the vanishing point 1. So this line here, 90 degrees to it, until I intersect that 35-degree line. So this distance here now is the height of my auxiliary vanishing point. And I'm gonna, for accuracy, use my compass, swing that from my vanishing point 1 horizon line till I'm given this little mark here, which I now know is my auxiliary, EXP auxiliary vanishing point. So these outer points can be joined to this auxiliary vanishing point in order to get this section of the roof here, okay? So we can see the division lines later on, okay? I'll deal with them later on, right? So I'm more worried about at the start getting the main geometric shape of the actual object, okay? So I'm going to join these to my auxiliary vanishing point, like so, okay? But I'm unsure on where they stop here, how far up this roof is actually going. So I go back up to my plan view to find this. So I'm going to carry down the line that represents the top pitch of the roof, join it to the spectator, or across the picture plane, bring it straight down again. So where this hits my roof can be vanished, and we know that this point is going to join to this point in order to finish off the roof. Yeah. So once again, I can line this in heavy to give me the full outer shape of the glass house. So these questions actually are quite easy once you do the setup correctly. So the setup is the main part of these questions, I find. So now it's just a case of finding my divisions, and that's easily done once I have the main shape. So I join my points to the spectator, right across the spectator, right across the picture plane, sorry, bring them straight down. So I now know the position of these lines here on the side wall of the glass house. And these can get joined to the auxiliary vanishing point once again. So there it is. That's part A of the question answer. So that's a simple perspective view created of that glass house. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.